Good morning, Paul Georgie from Allendale. It's March 5th, 2012, and it's Monday morning. Beginning of March is providing some support to the grain markets here this morning. We got corn up 2 to 3, soybeans one lower to one higher, wheat slightly lower. Dollar has went from being stronger to weaker. Crude oil is down just a little bit, and gold has come back from some sharp losses here early. So a lot of money adjusting, as we say here at Allendale. The managed money numbers came out by the CFTC of where what the managed money has done over the last week, and showed that they've increased their long positions in corn, soybeans, and even in wheat, and reduced their short positions in wheat here last week. Overall, the non-commercials increased their corn position by about 35,000 contracts, up to nearly 250,000 longs. Soybeans increased by 20,000. That raised their net long position up to 126,000, and the wheat increased by 6,000, putting them at about a net short position of 50,000 contracts. So a lot of money adjusting here, and that's what we're looking at here this morning. Is the main reason for some of the erratic movement in the grain markets today is spread unwinding. Buying corn, selling beans, just because we've had a lot of movement in that spread over the last several weeks, and we're going into the USDA report on Friday morning. So we're going to see some adjusting of positions this week. We're seeing some movement here in the new crop, where that game will continue to battle here until we get into that USDA planted intentions report at March 30th. We're going to see some jockeying of prices there as traders look for reasons to be long beans, short corn, or long corn and short beans. So those are some major things that are going on. We've still got some port issues in South America. Brazil's got strikes taking place. You've got low water problems and problem with facilities in Argentina. So the delays in Argentina and Brazil are continuing to push movement of grain and demand for grain out of the U.S., and that's causing some strength in our nearby contracts. The strong holding of grains by producers is also providing the strength right now, as they got their bin doors closed, waiting for higher prices, and that is giving us some reason for some strength in the corn and soybean markets here near term. However, when you look at the overall supply-demand numbers, and with the new crop coming on, we've got a lot of acres of corn we expect to be planted, and also we're at Allendale looking for more bean acres. But the real numbers will come out when we put out the production survey and the results of the survey that we've done with the producers that have contacted us. We'll continue to take information and data from producers this week as we approach the 9th, and then we'll tabulate those numbers and we'll get them out to you the morning of the 16th. So anybody that has not filled out the survey on our website, go to our website, fill it out. Every bit of data will be important to the results. We've also had COFCO, the government buying arm in China, saying that they feel like the corn supply that they've got will be plenty to get through the year. They've had such a good crop in 2011, and that will help maintain their supply and not run short this coming year. So a lot of news going on here, a lot of adjusting. We believe there really isn't any one major force here other than maybe money flow. Money flow is something that we're going to have to watch, and we also got to watch headlines coming out of the EU and out of China, as there some political policies adjusting that may be released this week. So something again to watch as we go through the week. In the livestock trade, had cash cattle trade stronger on Friday, up anywhere from $1 to $2. Most cattle traded at 130 on Friday. That's up from the 128, 129 level that we seen last week. However, during that same period of time, we had cutout values go down. Choice was down 38 cents, Select down 138, and we know that we got to continue to see stronger beef prices in order to maintain that strength that we've seen here in the cash cattle market. So those are things we're watching there. In the pork complex, we had cutout values slightly higher. There was some spread unwinding there as well as we went into the weekend on Friday. We expect to see cash cattle open steady stronger, or even the whole livestock complex steady stronger here, and a lot of that's going to depend on where the dollar is, where the stock market is here at 9:05 when they open. Stay in touch with Allendale Research. We'd be happy to answer any questions you've got. You can reach us here at our home office, or check out our branch offices. Give them a call as well. And if you're in the Riverside, Iowa area tomorrow at 9:30, I'll be there, and we'll have a presentation. Looking forward to meeting many of you at that time. We wish everybody a very successful trading day, and we'll talk to you tomorrow morning. Thank you.